Let's make today Kali Mirch chicken, black pepper chicken. Add salt, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, garam masala, black pepper powder. Now mix it, mix all the spices, add tablespoon of oil to the chicken. And now time to marinate the chicken. You have to use your hands for 24 hours. For the base, I have in the pan here some onions, garlic, black peppercorns, and some cashews, which I have cooked for some time, and now I am going to make a puree of this. Add 2 tablespoons ghee. Now add the tadka that we made. Now cook this tadka until you start to see the ghee on the side of the pan. Your fiery black pepper Kali Mirch chicken is ready. Make sure you tag all the Kali Mirch chicken lovers. Try this recipe out, share your comments.